DJI has been shaping the compact drone market for years, and the Mini lineup remains one of the company's strongest pillars. In recent years, we've watched DJI release the Mini 4 and Mini 4 Pro, followed by the unexpected budget-oriented Mini 4K. These models helped both beginners and experienced users find an accessible entry point into aerial filmmaking. But now, with DJI's new 5 series and the Mini 5 Pro already entering discussions, the spotlight is turning toward a new rumored model that many weren't expecting yet, the DJI Mini 5K. This drone, if the leaks are accurate, could become one of the most meaningful upgrades in the Mini category. According to multiple industry reports, the DJI Mini 5K could be unveiled as early as December, though some insiders believe we might not see it until early 2026. Regardless of the release window, the excitement surrounding the drone is slowly building because of what it might bring to the ultralight space. To get a clear sense of how big this leap might be, let's first revisit what DJI currently offers at the budget level. The DJI Mini 4K is DJI's most affordable modern drone, but even with its low cost, the company didn't skimp on basics. It comes with a 12-megapixel camera using a 0.3-inch CMOS sensor, an older but proven sensor size. The lens is a 24mm equivalent with an f/2.8 aperture, suitable for general-purpose shooting. The drone records 4K footage at up to 30 fps. If users want higher frame rates, they can opt for 2.7K at 60 fps or 1080p at 60 fps. Although the bitrate is capped at 100 megabits per second, the overall video quality is solid for an entry-level drone. For photos, the Mini 4K supports HDR, timed shots, and even RAW format, giving beginners room to experiment with editing. Stability is handled by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, a crucial feature for keeping footage smooth even when the drone experiences wind or sudden movements. This combination of affordability and reliability makes the Mini 4K an appealing option, but it also clearly defines where the next model could improve. And this is where rumors surrounding the DJI Mini 5K become especially interesting. One of the strongest claims circulating online is that DJI will upgrade the sensor from 0.3 inches to a significantly larger 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor. A 1-inch sensor in a drone that weighs under 249 grams would be an impressive engineering achievement on its own. But pairing that with the rumored 50-megapixel count and a brighter f/1.8 aperture suggests a giant leap in image quality. This improvement would translate into better low-light performance, cleaner shadows, more dynamic range, and a much richer color profile across photos and videos. Sunset shots, city lights, or indoor environments would all display more detail and less noise. The name Mini 5K naturally leads many to wonder whether it will record 5K resolution video. While no strong leaks confirm full 5K recording, what's more certain is that the drone could dramatically improve 4K performance. Rumors indicate that the Mini 5K will capture 4K 60 fps in HDR, a major upgrade for cinematic shooters, and possibly 4K 120 fps for high-quality slow motion. This feature alone would make the drone far more appealing to content creators, vloggers, travel filmmakers, and anyone needing slow motion without sacrificing resolution. Additionally, the camera is rumored to support 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles, tools usually reserved for much more expensive models. These profiles allow deeper color grading, smoother transitions, and far better post-production flexibility. Equally notable is the expected improvement in gimbal rotation. The Mini 4K's gimbal is solid, but the Mini 5K may expand rotation up to 225 degrees. More rotation gives creators extra freedom when framing shots, enabling low-angle tilts, dynamic pans, and more expressive camera movements. The drone might also support true vertical shooting, not just a crop or software-based rotation. True vertical shooting would be a huge win for users producing content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. While imaging gets most of the attention, flight performance is another cornerstone of the Mini series. The Mini 4K currently offers 31 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. This is decent, but as drone technology evolves, users expect more. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5K could push flight time to 36 minutes under normal battery use, and up to 52 minutes with a plus battery upgrade. If DJI achieves this, it will set a new record for sub-249 grams drones. These extended durations would allow pilots to fly long missions, capture more takes, and reduce downtime between flights. Speed and wind resistance may also see improvements. The Mini 4K can handle winds up to 10.7 meters per second and reach speeds of around 57.6 kilometers per hour. The Mini 5K could benefit from new motors and aerodynamic refinements that improve wind resistance and stability. This would allow pilots to fly confidently in slightly harsher weather without worrying about drift or losing control. Another major rumored upgrade is in the field of transmission technology. The Mini 4K uses DJI's O2 transmission, providing a maximum flight distance of around 10 kilometers under FCC guidelines. The Mini 5K, however, may jump to DJI O4 Plus transmission. This system could nearly double range to 20 kilometers, providing better stability, reduced interference, and clearer live video feeds. Long-distance flyers, landscape shooters, and professionals who need stable imaging over wide areas would greatly benefit from this enhancement. Safety, one of the biggest weaknesses of the Mini 4K, is also said to receive a significant upgrade. The Mini 4K includes downward sensors and infrared assistance but lacks true obstacle detection. This makes flying in dense environments more risky, especially for inexperienced pilots. The DJI Mini 5K may solve that problem by introducing LiDAR-assisted obstacle sensing along with an omnidirectional vision system. If true, this would be one of the largest jumps in the Mini series history. Omnidirectional sensors mean the drone can detect obstacles from all sides, front, back, top, bottom, and sides. This dramatically improves safety and confidence. Beginners would feel more comfortable flying close to trees, buildings, or tight spaces. Advanced users would gain the freedom to attempt low-altitude cinematic shots, tracking sequences, or dynamic movements that were previously too risky without obstacle detection. Design-wise, DJI is expected to retain the lightweight philosophy. The Mini 5K is rumored to stay under 249 grams, which is critical for avoiding stricter regulations in many countries. The real engineering challenge lies in balancing all upgrades: larger sensor, stronger motors, more sensors, extended batteries, while keeping the weight within the legal threshold. If DJI accomplishes this, it would mark one of the most significant engineering achievements in the Mini lineup's history. All of these rumored features suggest that DJI is preparing something substantial for the next generation of Mini drones. Whether the release lands in December or early next year, anticipation is mounting as enthusiasts imagine what this new model could achieve. These are currently the most discussed details surrounding the upcoming DJI Mini 5K. Which rumored feature is your personal favorite? The bigger sensor? The long flight time? The 4K 120 FPS slow motion? Or the all-direction obstacle sensing? Share your thoughts in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe if you want to stay updated with future drone news and breakdowns like this.